Today we're gonna do a little trick with tomatoes. You guys gonna love it. And this trick, the garden center won't tell you why you shouldn't do it. They won't tell you anything about it. They keep it secret because they lose money. So from one plant you can have about maybe a dozen or so. As it grows, you can take the suckers and replant them. And I'll show you how, and I'll show you the mixture. And let's go get on with it now. Eggshells, crushed eggshells, and lots of calcium for the tomato plants. I'm gonna mix them with the compost. So this will give a lot of strength to the tomato plants. Remember that if you want good crop, that's what you need. Let's mix it like that. Now I'm gonna get little pots because the tomato suckers are very, very small. We'll get the pots, we'll fill it in, and I will show you how to plant them. The tomato plants here, they're very small still, but they got a few suckers. Can you see the suckers there? There's your suckers. We'll take them off and we plant them. I've got two good ones here. Let's go and do it inside. These are the suckers. Now we're gonna snip them. There they are. This is a sucker. We got two plants for now. I'll do the rest later, but these are the two we'll concentrate on in the next videos. I will show you how they progress, how they grow. Just give it a little bit. There you go. They're ready. We pick a couple of suckers from the tomato plant and we plant them. Because everybody knows tomatoes get suckers and you have to remove them. A lot of people remove them, they throw them away. No need to throw them away. Just put them back in a little pots like this and they will grow beautifully. So you save yourself some money. Remember me when you save some money. Cheers.